All right, we're ready for the color part. Today we're going to be using watercolors. We're going to use warm colors on the top, cool colors on the bottom, and then throughout the image you can use neutral colors as well. If you don't know what neutral colors are, those are, from my sign here, those are going to be brown, white, black, and then gray. So anywhere throughout your work you can use neutrals as well. Just a reminder, with watercolors you're going to need a water dish. Okay. You can use one by yourself or you can share at your table. You're going to need one or maybe two brushes depending on what size you want. I like to do a smaller one, a little bit bigger one. And you might need a paper towel just in case. So since I'm going to be doing some warm on the top, I'm going to maybe start off with maybe doing a red tree. Maybe the leaves have turned on it. So just a reminder, you want to get it wet. I'm going to put a little bit of water in there. And then I'm going to load up my brush. I want a lot of color to go on there. Okay. So just a reminder, if you want that to be a little bit lighter, you just add water now to it. Okay, then you can kind of move it around. Okay. So I can only use warm colors up here, so you have to be creative with the way that you do this. Okay. Since brown is a neutral, I can go ahead and do brown for the bottom part here. Okay. Skywise, here's a nice technique that you might want to use. So you can get it wet a little bit just using water. Remember, we can leave those clouds alone. We can leave those white. And then I'm going to come in, I'm going to do maybe some yellow on top of it. Maybe get a little more color on my brush there. Okay. Never dig into it. You always want to kind of be gentle with it. The color will come. Don't force it. Okay. But I can go like this, adding the color. The color will go where the water is. Okay. Like a nice yellowy sunset. And the cool thing, guys, you can blend these warm colors together. Blending warm colors together will look good. Now, as you get towards this first part here done, and you're ready for the cool colors, the bottom part does not have to have as much details, and that's why we didn't really need to do any outlining on the bottom. So down below here, I could just kind of paint in, and if I get outside of the lines, it's actually okay for this part, and we could just kind of make it look like a watery ground here because we have that nice reflection. Okay. We do want to see a little bit of the details, but the details are just a little bit off. So we can kind of just be a little bit, we can use a little bit more water on this one and let it kind of blend a little bit. But you're just going to use cool colors and neutral colors down here on the bottom. Okay, guys? Alright, I can't wait to see how you do on your work today. Good luck.